Terry Fulcher here from Supreme Products. We're out in the field with a good customer, Jason Peterson from Magnum Services. Jason, good to see you, man.
Likewise, man.
Come and be out in the field with you. He's going to tell us a bit about himself and about our bars. So, Jason, tell us how long you've been doing what you're doing.
Probably about coming up close to 3 years. I've been logging, slowly building and purchasing a little bit more gear here and there. And 2 years ago, Terry introduced me to the start of his journey on manufacturing these Supreme bars.
So just tell us, Jason, what do you like about our bar?
So for the last 2 years, I've been running a couple of Terry's Supreme ProLites. What I like the best is the ability to get them straightened. I've got one bar there that I'm still using 2 years later. It's been straightened twice. It's probably on its 6th chain. There's no bar chipping on the rails, nothing like that. The wear is still minimal. Terry's been able to manage to straighten it twice already.
Just to recap on that, yeah, both times it had been straightened, it was quite substantially twisted. I think it was after the 4th chain, we put a brand new bar on top, and it was basically still just as good as it was.
Yep.
Now tell us, since that too, you bought a few other bars too, eh?
Yeah, that's correct. We had another job come in that was some 120-year-old man pines. Bit the bullet and brought an 881. Purchased the saw powerhead only. Didn't want a steel bar due to the
lightweight, isn't it?
Yep, they're lightweight. Plus we couldn't get a lightweight in the steel bar for an 881, so I brought a 42 and a 50-inch ProLite from Terry, and amazing.
Yeah, they're very nice and light. A little teaser for you guys just a bit later on. If you're watching, you'll see Jason using the Supreme harvester bucket. We're going to mount it up and process it again. So stay tuned.
My go-to saw in the plantation forestry blocks that we're doing, 500i with the 25-inch ProLite Supreme bar. An extra service that Terry's doing, which you just need to contact him, is the custom engraving, as you can see right there. Highly recommend it personally.
Hey guys, just about to put a couple of Supreme bars to the test and doing some felling for you guys can see how they work felling. And so as you can tell who the newbie is and who the experienced fella is.
reason that we did a 1 to 2 drive was there was a whole lot of dead and broken branches tying the first 2 trees together, so it was safer to do the drive with the 3rd tree. That's why we did what we did. Supreme Bar, get online, purchase them, highly recommended. To mount up our new Supreme Harvester bar to our Waratah 626 head, and we'll give it a run.